And so a common problem you have with dishwashers these days are the wheels end up breaking. Just like it did right here, which I already took off. But there's so much weight with these racks. If they're full, they'll come out and they'll break, they'll get caught up. So anyway, that's why I have from Monkamon are these wheel upgrades right here. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna put these on. First we're gonna take all the dishes out of the dishwasher first, and then we'll upgrade with these new wheels. Okay, so once you get it emptied, then we'll take the whole basket and put it up here. Here's my old one, or the old broken wheel. Okay, so now it looks like, I'll have to look at this in a second, but it looks like this is just going to snap on right there on that bottom bar. Okay, and then you've got 2 extra wheels that will roll good. So you've got 2 for this side and 2 for the other side. So definitely a lot more support is going to be put on these instead of just the one. And it's always that front one I think that breaks, because that's where it hits the bump right here when it starts being pulled out. So anyway, let me get these on and check it out. Okay, so I took the other wheel off, and it looks like where this is going to be attaching is right here. It's going to be on this second bar. So now these won't be used anymore. So it'll be right on that second bar. All right, and let's attach. Okay, so once you get it on, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to kind of give that double support. So you've got 2 wheels right close to each other instead of kind of 2 single wheels all by themselves. So now you just take the rest of them and put them on all 4 corners, just like that. These seem like they'll be good and they'll work well and give this basket extra support. Definitely check them out.